Broccoli is a healthy vegetable that is a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and protein. Here are some of the nutritional benefits of broccoli. It's high in vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system and protect cells from damage. It's a good source of vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting and bone health. It's a good source of folate, which is important for cell growth and development. It's a good source of fiber, which can help with digestion and weight management. Here is a collection of our best broccoli recipes that are the top ways to eat this super nutritious vegetable. 1. Quick cheesy broccoli. Toss broccoli florets with olive oil, spices, and grated cheese. Bake until tender and bubbly for a cheesy and effortless side. 2. Best roasted broccoli. Simple is best. Toss broccoli florets with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast at high heat for caramelized florets with a nutty depth of flavor. 3. Mac and cheese with broccoli. Cook macaroni according to package directions. Sauté broccoli florets until tender crisp. Combine with a creamy cheese sauce for a comforting and kid-friendly dish. 4. Creamy broccoli potato soup. Sauté onions and garlic. Add chopped broccoli, potatoes, and broth. Simmer until tender. Blend with milk or cream for a smooth and creamy soup. 5. Broccoli slaw. Shred broccoli, carrots, and other desired vegetables. Toss with a tangy vinaigrette and crunchy additions like nuts or seeds for a refreshing and flavorful salad. 6. Best broccoli salad. Steam or blanch broccoli florets until crisp tender. Combine with chopped vegetables, cooked bacon, raisins, or dried cranberries, and a creamy mayonnaise dressing. 7. Parmesan broccoli. Steam or roast broccoli florets until tender crisp. Toss with olive oil, garlic powder, and a generous amount of grated Parmesan cheese for a simple and flavorful side. 8. Broccoli cheddar quiche. Prepare a simple pie crust. Whisk together eggs, cream, and grated cheddar cheese. Sauté broccoli florets. Layer broccoli and cheese mixture into the crust. Then bake until golden brown and set for a delicious breakfast or brunch. 9. Stir-fried broccoli. This quick and healthy dish is perfect for a weeknight meal. Broccoli florets are stir-fried with garlic, ginger, and your favorite sauce for a flavorful and nutritious side. 10. Shrimp and broccoli. This classic combination is a crowd pleaser. Tender shrimp are stir-fried with broccoli florets in a savory sauce for a satisfying and protein-packed meal. 11. Roasted broccoli and cauliflower. This simple recipe roasts broccoli and cauliflower florets together for a colorful and flavorful side dish. Seasonings like olive oil, garlic powder, and paprika bring out the best in both vegetables. Thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up and mention your favorite recipe of broccoli in the comment box.